Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the black screen in OBS Studios. As you can see, it's all black. Just close the OBS and then in the search bar, just type graphics settings. Now browse for the OBS Studios. And click on options. There are three options. One is power saving, one is high performance, and the other one is let the windows decide. If you want to record desktop, you can select power saving, or if you want to record game, you can select high performance and then click on save. Now open the OBS Studios, and as you all can see, it's working. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.